It was a night, ooh, what a night it was, it really was such a night. The moon was bright, ooh, how bright it was, it really was such a night. The night was alive with stars above. And when she kissed me, I had to fall in love. It was a kiss, what a kiss it was, it really was such a kiss. How she could kiss, ooh, what a kiss it was, it really was such a kiss. Just a part of her lips, and it set me on fire. I reminisce, and I feel desire. Here I give my heart to her, sweet surrender. How well I remember, I'll always remember, ooh, that night. What a night it was, it really was such a night. Came the dawn, and my heart and my love, and the night was gone. But I'll never forget that kiss in the moonlight. Ooh, such a kiss, ooh, such a night. Here I give my heart to her, sweet surrender. How well I remember, I'll always remember that night. Ooh, what a night it was, it really was such a night. Came the dawn, and my heart and my love, and the night was gone. But I'll never forget that kiss in the moonlight. Oh, such a kiss, oh, such a night. Well, now she's gone, 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 gone. Yes, she's gone, gone, gone. Came the dawn, 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 and the night was gone, and my heart was gone, and her love was gone. But before that dawn, oh, oh, such a night.
This dance is called Afire With Desire. It's 32 counts, 4/4. Beginner to improve level line dance. Starting with the right foot. Section 1. Weight is on the left foot. Right foot, rock back, recover. Two toe struts traveling forward. Right toe strut, left toe strut. Forward mumble. Right foot, rock forward, recover, step back. Back mumble with a quarter right turn. Left foot, rock back, recover. Step left forward, making a quarter right turn, facing 3. Right foot, rock back, recover. Section 2. Step right to right side. Left foot, rock back, recover. Rumba box. Side together forward. Side together back. Left foot, rock back, recover to right. Make a half turn right, stepping back on left, facing 9. Section 3. Right foot, rock back, recover. Kick, step, kick, step, kick, step. Step left forward. Pivot, quarter right turn. Weight onto right foot, facing 12. Cross that left. Right foot, side rock, cross. Section 4. Touch left toe out, in, out. Sailor quarter to left cross. You're now facing 9. Swivel both heels to the right, toes to the right, heels to the right. Swivel both heels to the left.